Yeah, why does he have a TI-30 calculator in here?
We're doing math.
Math.
Dude, that's a badass GoPro.
Hero, just hero.
Did Baby
just
sit
the
there
hero.
ride with you or sit back here and watch one of these fucking two TVs?
Fucking child molester. Calculators for homework, after hours, cartoons playing.
This fit won't quit. That's not Flow Yellow, I don't think. It's like the orange.
You look like a white trash bash.
Hell yeah!
Off on purpose? Or was it already that
That's
color?
it was already that color. I didn't see it coming because it's fucking camouflage.
What moto are you? 7? No.
27.
19 and 27?
19 and 27.
God damn, you got like forever. And
Last one of the day.
Sean's over there scared now.
We might, depending on how I do on
What's up?
Do they not need you anymore?
No, I was gonna say, you got that other camera with you? What? What's happening, Sean? Phone stripped out. What? Sean is so fast. Here comes Sean with some excuse why he didn't win. What happened?
Cinder!
Fall off?
Yeah! What? He stripped out.
Why do you look so mad?
Why are you pissed off?
Because it's stupid.
Are you mad because you lost?
Yeah.
Are you mad 'cause you lost?
At least you won practice though.
I was like, how come Tucker gets to go before me? Did he win practice?
Yeah.
Why'd you slash your number?
Are you taking me or no? Wait. Yeah.
that? What happened?
He probably sucked the window full under the
Oh my God!
That dirt in his fucking gas tank fucking shit up. I think he hit somebody. At least he's not in last. Oh yeah, he is in last place.
Retreating out of my Harley Davidson tank top.
Oh, you're gonna put a shirt on? It's disappointing.
Do what?
Everyone's saying, keep your shirt off. Yep.
Alright, at least till this first moto's over with. I'm about to get lit AF, dude.
How's your pizza?
I don't have to worry about some dumbass landing.
Delicious. It was made with love, so it's really good.
I love this.
Oh, I thought you were gonna shove your sausage in his mouth. Come on, dude. All right, it's on video now.
Oh my God! Just put on his boots and helmet.
Daniel,
The jorts and got
Yes,
Sean.
please go race for
Harley
Sean.
Davidson. Fucking.
If they let that fucking chick race with no boots, they'll let you out there.
In my hot top.
In boots with a helmet on, just like that.
So Daniel's not gonna put on Sean's gear and go race the last
I can't
moto.
wear his hair.
Yes, it doesn't matter.
No, close it up.
Just say you don't want to instead of making excuses. I'd respect that.
I don't want to.
Okay. It'd be funnier if it was Daniel with his stupid ass hair, but it's still funny. Jeff's gonna take the place of Sean the cuck. Wouldn't it be so hilarious if he won? I mean, there's not a chance in hell, no offense, but
And when he's
Jeff's on your bike and in all your gear.
All my gear, boots, helmet, everything, bike.
Are you ready, Sean?
I'm ready. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, you add him, you have to send news.
Hit me up on Snapchat at Honda Rider 8.
Are you working for Garrett right now?
Yeah, I'm subcontracted out.
Subcontracted.
Yeah, through High-Sided Films.
There you go, Sean.
You're doing pretty good.
You did good, Sean.
I got fourth.
You got fourth?
Yeah, fourth.
Hell yeah.
He got in front of me because I hit fucking neutral off the start.
We went around the outside and passed him.
Fucking Sean got fourth.
Can you believe it? That's last.
Oh, I made it out there though. That's quick.
There comes Sean. Good job, dude.
Appreciate it.
Drew always carries a gun. He might seriously get fucking shot.
Oh, he's awesome.
No fucking way. No fucking way.